Hey dolls, welcome back to the Discount Vegan. I am Lizzie if you're new here. This tale is Starlight. Hey dolls, welcome back to the Discount Vegan. I am Lizzie if you're new here. This tale is Starlight. And today we are gonna do a what I eat in a day, a thank you, a what I eat in the day before grocery day. I like to get rid of everything old, and I'll show you what I do all day. And of course, pet this one here. So, yeah. Ow. Your nails are sharp. The first thing on my agenda is my orange juice. So, I will see you when I eat again in a little while.
Okay, so we went a little off script here, and we decided to try out a new restaurant this day just to see what it was like. I've been following them for a really long time, and Aunt Gussie's is a Grand Bend restaurant who has a lot of vegan options. So we decided to go check it out. And this is what I got. This is nachos, of course. They're like my number one food preference. And it has pepper jack cheese with pulled jackfruit on top and guacamole and salsa on the side. This was absolutely amazing and it was so good. What I didn't show you because I ate it a little too quickly was we also got dessert, and I got a vegan brownie with coconut glaze, I guess it was, on top. It was so good. My mouth is seriously watering just thinking about this. I would love to have it again.
Okay, now that we had lunch, we stopped in at Timmy's for a coffee. I don't live by any Tim Hortons that has soy, so I just get 2 sugars and I'm on my way. And there's my cat again. So that will be it until dinner, and I'm probably going to be cleaning out the fridge then. Okay, so for dinner, I just made something really simple. I used leftover pasta, cooked potatoes I had, my last pepper, corn, black beans, all leftovers in the fridge. Just cooked them up all together. Cooked, warmed, whatever you want to call it. And then I just topped it with the most delicious maple barbecue sauce. And this was actually really simple and really bomb. Okay, so it is now well after 8 o'clock. I fast from 8 p.m. till 10 in the morning. So that is what I ate today. I find lately I don't really tend to eat a whole lot. Hi. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 400. I would really love to have you as a part of the Discount Vegan family so I can help save you money on all your food things growing. And yeah, so join us and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dolls.